We're going to do it first time chapati. We are going to make. You can see here we don't have rolling wood. We are using this water. Let us see how it will be. Yeah, no. It's trying. It's taking time. But the people are very lazy. They don't want to make. So we are trying to investigate. Make chapati. Yeah, this see, this is our cooking style, Indian style. I don't know, it will. I don't know it will come or not, but let us try. Yeah, I think it is coming. I think it is coming. See, we are all ready to make, and it is ready. If anybody wants to test it, please are invited here. I think it came like chapati now. Ready. Ready. Yeah. Like that. And like that. Let us see another one. Chapati is ready now. Already some are working and finishing. They are liking
Today we ate tortilla that is called chapati, the Sri Lanka, India. It was a very fine meal, but they said it is eaten with chicken or I don't know the other one, but what I know is that it is a meal. It is very fine. I would like it. Yeah.
I think it came like chapati now. Ready. Ready.